Okay, so in our last class we have completed till third question of exercise 5.2. So in today's class we'll be starting with the fourth question. Okay, so read the fourth one. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Okay, we need to find which term of the AP is 78. That means we need to find n value. Okay, we'll see how to do it. So the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. And we need to find which term of this AP is 78. First of all, you need to write the given details. Okay. So given is A. What is A? First term. First term is 3. Do you know what is D? Common difference. Any term minus the preceding term. 8 minus 3, 5. So you got the common difference as 5. First term as 3. And you have one more information given. That is 78. What is 78? An. Because we need to find which term is 78. Now I'll substitute these values in this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now what is An? 78. So 78 is equal to 3 plus n minus, n is what we need to find. N minus 1 into D is 5. So 78 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. 78 is equal to 3 plus, I'm giving this 5 to both n and minus 1. 5 into n, 5n. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 3 minus 5, minus 2. So minus 2 plus 5n is remaining 78. Now I'm taking this minus 2 this side. So minus 2 will become plus 2. 78 plus 2 equal to 5n. Okay. 78 plus 2, 80 equal to 5n. Therefore, n is equal to 80 divided by 5. What is 80 divided by 5? 16. So you got the value of n as 16. So this is your answer. You can conclude the answer as, hence 16th term of this AP is 78. 16th term. Okay. Now come to the next. See, fifth one. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. You need to find the number of terms. Means what? You need to find n. N's value. N is what number of terms? Take the first sub question. 7, 13, 19 till 205. That means 7 to 205. Between this, how many terms are there? That is what you need to find. 7, 13, 19, etc. till 205. First you write the given details. A is equal to first term 7. D is equal to 13 minus 7. What is 13 minus 7? 6. Then this 205, this is the last term. That means till 205 we need to find. So you can take An is equal to. Okay. Now substitute these values in the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now you can find n. N is what? 205. 205 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into D is 6. Same way, 205 is equal to 7 plus, I am giving this 6 to n and minus 1. 6n. 6 into minus 1 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 1 plus 6n. I am taking this 1 this side. So plus 1 will become minus 1. So 205 minus 1, 204 equal to 6n. Then what is n? N is equal to 204 divided by 6. 204 divided by 6 is 34. So you got, there are 34 terms. Okay. So you can conclude the answer as, therefore this given series has 34 terms in it. Okay. Same way you can do the second one. 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 till minus 47. 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 till minus 47. So you can change this 15 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. You can change it to an improper fraction. 15 into 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 31 by 2. So instead of 15 1 by 2, you can write 31 by 2. Okay. So I am rewriting this as 18, 31 by 2, 13, etc. minus 47. Now I will write the given details. What is A? 18. D means second term minus the first term. That is 31 by 2 minus 18. I am taking the LCM into 2 into 2. So 31 minus 18 into 2, 36 divided by 2. 31 minus 36 minus 5. So you got minus 5 by 2 as your common difference. Therefore D is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. So what is this minus 47? Your AN value. So AN is equal to minus 47. You got the values. Can you substitute in this formula? Yes. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So I am substituting the values. N is minus 47 equal to 18 plus N minus 1 into D is what? Minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now I am solving it in another way. See, I am taking this 18 this side. So plus 18 will become minus 18. So minus 47 minus 18. Now I am taking this minus 5 by 2 this side. Okay. This is a shortcut. See, minus 5 by 2, I am taking this side. This is what? Multiplication. So when I am taking this side, it will become division. So minus 5 will be divided by minus 5. And see, divided by 2. When I take this 2 this side, this is division. So this divided by 2 will become multiplied by 2. So into 2. Now we have taken 18 minus 5 by 2 this side. So what is remaining here? N minus 1. Okay. So this is a small shortcut. Instead of solving everything, like instead of giving this minus 5 by 2 into N minus 5 by 2 to minus 1, you can do this way. But be careful when you are taking the values this side. See, 18 when you are taking to left side, plus 18 will become minus 18. Okay. When you are taking minus 5 to this side, this is multiplication. So here it will be divided by minus 5. See, this 2 is what? Division. So when you are taking this 2 this side, it will become multiplied by 2. Then what is remaining? N minus 1. So I have written like this. Okay. Now I can simplify, solve this one. Minus 47 minus 18 divided by minus 5 into 2 equal to N minus 1. This is what you got now. Okay. So I am solving this one. Minus 47 minus 18. Negative and negative. So we will add it. 47 plus 18. 65. So I am putting minus 65. Since both are negative, I should put negative value. Minus 65 divided by minus 5 into 2. Now you can see negative got cancelled. Negative divided by negative is positive. 65 divided by 5. What is 65 divided by 5? 13. So 13 into 2. 13 into 2? 26. So I have simplified this whole term and I got 26 as the value. Now I can write instead of this whole term 26 equal to what? N minus 1. N minus 1 is 26. So what is N? This minus 1 will come this side. So 26 plus 1. N is equal to 27. So try to do in this way. Therefore you can conclude the answer as therefore the given AP has 27 terms in it. Okay, now you can come to the sixth question. Read the sixth question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. You need to check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. How will you check it? So this is your AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. You need to check minus 150 comes in this series or not. So you will take An as minus 150 and you will check what is the value of N. If you are getting the value of N a whole number, this minus 150 will be a term of this AP. So if it is having any decimal in that, it won't be a term in the AP. So I will check it. First of all, write the given details. A is equal to 11, D is equal to 8 minus 11. What is 8 minus 11? Minus 3. And an value is also there. What is an? Minus 150. Now put it in the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is minus 150 equal to a is 11 plus n minus 1 into d minus 3. Now a shortcut, take 11 this side. So 11 will become minus 11. So minus 150 minus 11 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11. You need to add it. So 150 plus 11. 161. Put the negative sign equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 161 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now you can take this minus 3 this side. This minus 3 is what? Multiplication. N minus 1 into minus 3. So when this minus 3 comes this side, it will become what? Division. So I'm taking this minus 3 this side. Minus 161 divided by minus 3 is equal to what is remaining here? N minus 1. Negative negative got cancelled. 161 divided by 3. Okay. Equal to n minus 1. So what will be n? N is equal to minus 1 will come this side. So it will become plus 1. 161 divided by 3 plus 1. Check whether this is a fraction. I mean a decimal term is coming or not. LCM into 3 into 3. 161 plus 1 into 3, 3. Divided by 3 equal to 164 by 3. If you solve this one, you will be getting 164 divided by 3 is somewhat 54.6666. Right? So number of terms can't be a decimal. So what can you conclude here? N is not an integer but a fraction. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Because you are getting the answer as somewhat 54.6666. It is a fraction. Come to the 7th question. 7th one. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So 11th term is given, 16th term is also given. You need to find 31st term. First of all, write the given values. 11th term is given. That means A11 is given as 38. 16th term is given. That is A16 is equal to 73. So you can expand this one in the form an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So you can take n as 11, a plus 11 minus 1, that means 10. 10 into d equal to 38. Okay, I have written this in a plus n minus 1 into d form. Same way you can do this one. A16 means you take n is equal to 16. A plus 16 minus 1 into d, that means 15d. Okay, a plus 15d is equal to 73. So I have expanded this one and we got two equations. A plus 10d equal to 38, a plus 15d is equal to 73. Now you can solve this by elimination method. Okay, and you'll get the value for a and d. 38 minus, I'm subtracting this one, 38 minus 73 minus 35 equal to a got cancelled. 10 minus 10d minus 15d. 10 minus 15 minus 5d. Negative negative got cancelled. So d is equal to 35 divided by 5, which is equal to 7. So you got the value of d as 7. Now you can find the value of a by putting this value of d in the first equation. Yes. A plus 10d equal to 38. Right? So you can put the value of d equal to 7. 10 into 7 equal to 38. A plus 70 equal to 38. Therefore, a is equal to 38 minus 70 equal to minus 32. So you got the value of a equal to minus 32. D is equal to 7. Now can you find the 31st term? See what is 31st term? A 31. Just you replace n is equal to 31. A plus 31 minus 1 into d. What is A? Minus 32. Minus 32 plus 31 minus 1, 30 into D is 7. Minus 32 plus 30 into 7, 210. So 210 minus 32 is 178. So the answer is 178. This is the 31st term of this AP. You can conclude, hence 31st term is 178. Now you can come to the 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay, so they have given two values AP. The total terms of the AP is 50. Third term is 12 and last term is 106. Last term means 50th term, because totally 50 terms are there. So last term means 50th term is 105. So write the given details. You have told third term is 12 and the last term means 50th term is 106. Same way expand it. A plus 3 minus 1, 2D equal to 12. This one A plus 50 minus 1, D equal to 106. Elimination method. Subtract. A minus A, 0. 2 minus 49 minus 47D. 12 minus 106 minus 94. Negative negative got cancelled. So D is equal to 94 divided by 47, which is equal to 2. So you got the value of D as 2. Now you can find the value of A by putting this value of D in the first equation. A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2D, 2 into D is 2, equal to 12. A plus 4 equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. So you got the value of A is equal to 8, D is equal to 2. Now what you need to find in the question? They have told we need to find the 29th term. So A29 is equal to A plus 29 minus 1 into D. What is A? 8. 8 plus 29 minus 1, 28. Into D is 2. 8 plus 28 into 2 equal to 8 plus 28 into 2, 56. 8 plus 56 is equal to 64. So you can conclude your answer. Therefore, 29th term is 64. Okay. Now come to the next question. Ninth one. If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Okay. First of all, they have given third term and ninth term of the AP. So with that, we can find A value and D value. Then you can find which term of the AP is 0 by putting An is equal to 0. You can find the value of N. Okay. First of all, write the given details. They have given third term is 4. A3 is equal to 4. And ninth term, A9 is equal to minus 8. So you can expand this one. A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 3 minus 1, 2. 2D equal to 4. So can I write like this? Same way I can write here A plus A, it's A9. So I can write A plus 9 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 2D equal to minus 8. Okay. So with this two information, I can find A and D by elimination method. Okay, I am eliminating, subtracting. 4 minus minus 8. I am subtracting, so 4 minus minus 8. 4 plus 8. 12. A got cancelled. 2D minus 8D. That means 2 minus 8 minus 6D. Therefore, what is D? D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6 minus 2. So you got the value of D as minus 2. Now you can find the value of A. A plus 2D equal to 4. This is your first equation. You got D is equal to minus 2. So you can substitute this value in this equation. A plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. What is 2 into minus 2? Minus 4 equal to 4. Then what is A? 4. This minus 4 will come this side. So plus 4. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Now you got A is equal to 8. D is equal to minus 2. Now you need to find which term of this AP is 0. Which term is 0? If the question is which term is 0, you can take An is equal to 0 and find the value of N. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here An is 0 equal to A is 8. 8 plus n minus 1 into d is what? Minus 2. Now 8 plus, I am giving this minus 2 to both. Minus 2 into n, minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1, negative into negative, positive. 2 into 1, 2. Okay. Now 8 plus 2 is what? 10. What is remaining? Minus 2n. See, now you got 10 minus 2n equal to 0. Now I am taking 10 this side. So plus 10 will become minus 10. Minus 2n equal to minus 10. Can I cancel both the minus signs? Now what is n? N is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So you can conclude the answer. Fifth term of this AP is 0. So the fifth term is 0. Okay, come to the next question. See, 10th one. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Now here you need to find your common difference, that is D. They have given 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. The 17th term exceeds its 10th term means 17th term is 10th term plus 7. Okay. That means 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. See, 10th term plus 7 is what? 17th term. Now you can write as a formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So you can convert this a17 into which form? A plus n minus 1 into d. That is a plus n is what? 17. 17 minus 1, 16d equal to a10. Can you write like this? A plus n is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9d plus 7. Okay. Now I am taking this whole a plus 9d this side. So it will become negative. A plus 16d minus a minus 9d equal to 7. A minus a got cancelled. 16d minus 9d. 16 minus 9. 7. 7d equal to 7. Then what is d? D is equal to 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 1. So you got the common difference 1. Now 11th question. 11th. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. will be 132 more than its 54th term? 132 more than its 54th term. See. So the question is, which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So first of all, we need to find 54th term. Okay, then we'll add 132. Then we'll get some value. Okay, and we'll put this value as an and we'll find the value of n. That's all. 132 more than its 54th term means 54th term you will find first. Then you will add 132. Okay. Then you will get some value here. This value you will take as an. And the same way you will put in an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into the equation and you will get a value for n. This is your answer, n value. Okay. So we will start A54. Before that we need to know given details. See, what is the AP? 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. So we know A is equal to 3, first term. D is equal to 15 minus 3, 12. So with this we can find A54. What is A54? A plus 54 minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of A and D. 3 plus 54 minus 1, 53. Into what is D? 12. So 3 plus 53 into 12, 636. So 636 plus 3 is 639. So now you got what is A54. That is 54th term. Now you need to add 132 to 639. So now you got your 54th term as 639. Now you need to add 132 to this because it is given in the question. It is 132 more than the 54th term. So 639 plus 132 is 771. Now this value you will take as your an. Okay. Then you will find what is the value of n. See, an is equal to 771. What was a? A is equal to 3. D is equal to 12. Now I am putting these values in this equation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an? 771 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 12. Okay. Wait. 771 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. Now I am taking this 3 this side. 771 minus 3 equal to n minus 1 into 12. What is 771 minus 3? 768 equal to n minus 1 into 12. Now I am taking this 12. See this 12 this side. This is multiplication. So when I take this 12 this side, it will become division. So 768 divided by 12 equal to n minus 1. 768 divided by 12, 64. So 64 is equal to n minus 1. So what is n? Minus 1, I am taking this side. So minus 1 will become plus 1. So 64 plus 1. N is equal to 65. So you got the answer as 65. So you can write 65th term was 132 more than 54th term of this AP. Okay, 65th term. Now you can come to the next question. Your 12th question. Two APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. And what is the difference between their 1000th terms? Okay. So difference between their 100th term is given. We need to find what is the difference between their 1000th term. And also one more information is given. That is both the AP's common differences are same. So consider this is your AP1. First AP. This is your AP2. They have told there is two APs. AP1 is there and AP2 is there. Okay. So the common difference is same. This AP is having common difference D. AP2 is also having common difference D. Common differences are same. And they have given the 100th difference between their 100th term. See, first AP is 100th term and second AP is 100th term. When you take the difference between the both, the difference is 100. Okay. First AP is 100th term and second AP is 100th term. Difference between them is 100. So what we need to find here? We need to find the difference between their 1000th term. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Okay. So we'll start answering. So for the first AP, what will be the 100th term? A 100. For the first AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula for finding nth term. So what will be A100? For the first AP, this is for the first AP. A100 is A1 plus n minus 1. N means this is A100. So instead of n I can write 100. So 100 minus 1 is 99. D I can write, I don't want to write D1 because both the D's are same. Common differences are same. So I can write D. This is the 100th term of first AP. Come to second AP. Second AP is 100th term. A2. This 1 and 2 represents first AP, second AP. Plus 99D. How I got 99? 100 minus 1. 99D. So these are the 100th term of AP1 and AP2. So they have given the difference between 100th and 100th terms of AP1 and AP2 are 100. So according to the question, when I subtract both, I should get 100. Okay. Because it is given in the question, the difference is 100. You can see in the second sentence, the difference between their 100th term is 100. So when I subtract both, I should get 100. A1 plus 99D minus A1 plus 99, A2 plus 99D equal to 100. So I'm going to solve this one. A1 plus 99D. When I remove the bracket, what all signs are there inside will change. That means A2 will become minus A2. 99D will become minus 99D equal to 100. Okay. Now, you can cancel this 99D and minus 99D. What is remaining? A1 minus A2 equal to 100. Okay. Mark this as equation number 1. Yes. This is your equation number 1. A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. And do the second one. Find the 1000th term difference. For the first AP, what is the 1000th term? A 1000 is equal to A plus n minus 1 means 1000 minus 1. What is 1000 minus 1? 999D. A1, this is first AP, so A1 plus 999D. Same way for the second AP, A1000 is A2 plus 999D. D is same. So I am just writing D, not D1 and D2. Okay. We need to find what is the difference between these two. That means we need to subtract both and we will find what is the answer is. A1 plus 999D minus, open the bracket, A2 plus 999D. This is what we need to find. So I am cancelling the bracket. A1 plus 999D. So A2 will become minus A2 minus 999D. So 999D minus 999D got cancelled. What is remaining? A1 minus 8. Okay. So your first equation was, see your first equation. You have written A1 minus A2 is equal to 100 in your first equation. Can you see in the previous page? A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. So what is the value of this one? 100. So you got the answer as 100. That's all. Because in the previous equation, you got A1 minus A2 as 100. So here also you can substitute it. A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. This is your answer. Hence, the difference between 1000 terms of the two AP will be 100. You can conclude this answer like this. Now come to the 13th question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Easy one. So they are asking how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Since it is 3-digit, you need to find from where it is starting. Where is 3-digit number starting? From 100 only. 3-digit numbers are starting from 100. So is 100 divisible by 7? No. Check 101. Is it divisible by 7? No. So when you check, you'll get 105 is divisible by 7. Right? 105 divided by 7 is 15. See, 15 into 7 is 105. So the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 105. So you can take your first term as 105 till where your 3-digit number will stop. See, the largest 3-digit number is 999, right? But is 999 divisible by 7? You can check like this. Divide 999 by 7. Okay. One sevens are 7. 2, 9, 7 4s are 28, 1, 9, 14, 19 minus 14, 5. So what is the remainder you are getting? 5. That means 999 minus 5. What is 999 minus 5? 994. So this will be the last term, 994. 105 till 994. You need to find the number of terms between 105 and 994 which is divisible by 7. So you can take A is equal to 105. Common difference will be what? Since this is a table of 7, common difference will be 7. Okay. What is the last number? Last number is 994 which I am taking as AN. Now I can find N value. By putting these values in the formula, N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 994 equal to A is 105 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 7. I am taking this 105 this side and also 7 this side. So 105 will become minus 7. Since this is multiplication, it will become division. So 994 minus 105 divided by 7 is equal to N minus 1. 994 minus 105. 889. So divided by 7 equal to N minus 1. 889 divided by 7 is equal to N minus 1. 889 divided by 7 is 127 equal to N minus 1. Therefore, N is equal to 127 plus 1. 128. So this is your answer. You can conclude the answer. Therefore, 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay. 14th one. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So between 10 and 250, you need to find how many multiples of 4 are there. So between 10 and 250. So tell me, is 10 a multiple of 4? No. So after 10, which is the number which is multiple of 4? 4 3s are 12. So it will start from 12 because 10 is not a multiple of 4. Then see, is 250 a multiple of 4? No. So till where? You can actually you can divide 250 by 4 and see. 250 divided by 4. 6 4s are 24. 1 0. 4 2s are 8. What is the remainder? 2. That means you need to subtract 2 from this 250. So 250 minus 2 is 248. So the last number will be 248. Subtract the remainder. Okay. So you'll get the last term as 248. That means from 12 till 248. You need to find number of terms in between 12 and 248, which is the multiple of 4. Your A is 12. D is, what will be D? Since this is the multiple of 4, you can take D as 4, because the common difference will be 4 between everyone. So what is the last number? An is equal to this one, 248. Now you can find the same way, you can find what is n. Put these values in the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So An 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into d is 4. Now I am taking this 12 this side and 4 also this side. So 248 plus 12 will become minus 12. This is into 4. So here it will be divided by 4. Equal to what is remaining here? N minus 1. 248 minus 12. That is 236. Divided by 4 equal to n minus 1. 236 divided by 4 is 59. Equal to n minus 1. See, 59 equal to n minus 1. So what is n? 59 plus 1, which is equal to 60. So you got the answer as 60. You can conclude the answer. Therefore, there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. 15th. For what value of n, that means we need to find the value of n, are the nth terms of two APs. This is the first AP, this is the second AP, equal. That means they have given us the nth term of the two APs are equal. So nth term of AP1 is equal to nth term of AP2. Now you need to find the value of n. Nth term and n values are different. Okay. Nth term means, what is nth term? Like we say third term, fourth term, fifth term. The same way you say nth term, because you don't know what is the value of n. N means number of terms. Both are different. Now we need to do this one. So the two APs are 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17. So they told the nth terms of two APs are same. First of all, we can write the given details. A is equal to 63. What is D? 65 minus 63, 2. Here, what is A? 3. D is 10 minus 3, 7. See here, what is the nth term? Nth term means An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 63. So 63 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 2. Okay. Same way here. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So An is equal to a is 3. 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 7. So you got the values of nth term for both the APs. Now what they have told? They have told nth term of both the APs are equal. So you can equate this both nth terms. That is a plus a. What was a in the first one? First AP 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7, because they have told nth terms are equal. Now we can solve this one. 63 plus, give 2n, 2 to n and minus 1. 2n is equal, 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, equal to 3 plus 7 into n, 7 into minus 1. 7 into n is 7n. 7 into minus 1, minus 7. See, 63 minus 2, 61. Plus 2n equal to 3 minus 7. What is 3 minus 7? Minus 4. Plus 7n. Now I am taking n terms together and the numbers together. That is 61 plus 2n equal to minus 4 plus 7n. Right? So now I am taking this 7n this side, 61 this side. See, 2n, 7n will come this side and become minus 7n. equal to minus 4. 61 will go this side. So plus 61 will be minus 61. 2n minus 7n minus 5n equal to minus 4 minus 61. You need to add it. 61 plus 4, 65. Negative sign. So you can cancel both the negatives. Therefore, n is equal to 65 divided by 5, which is equal to 13. This is your answer. Therefore, 13th terms of both these APs are equal to each other. 16th one. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. You need to determine the AP. That means you need to form an AP. First, you write the given details. Third term is given as 16. That means A3 is equal to 16. Then they have told 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. That means 7th term is 5th term plus 12. Yes. Now you can expand this one. See, A3 you can write as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 2D equal to 16. This one you can write as A plus 7 minus 1 into D. That is 6D equal to A plus 5. 5 minus 1 into D. 4D plus 12. Now I am taking this A plus 4D this side. So A plus 6D, A will become minus A, 4D will become minus 4D equal to 12. A minus A got cancelled. 6D minus 4D. 6D minus 4D is 2D. So 2D equal to 12. What will be D? 12 by D is equal to 12 by 2. 6. So you got D's value as 6. Now you can substitute this value of D in the first equation, A plus 2D equal to 16. So you can substitute and get a value for A. A plus 2D equal to 16 and you got value of D as 6. Substitute this one. A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16. Therefore, A is equal to 16 minus 12. What is 16 minus 12? 4. So finally, you got a value for A and value for D. Now can you form the AP? A is equal to 4, D is equal to 6. So the AP will be 4 plus 6, 10 plus 6, 16 plus add the common difference plus 6. Like that it goes on. 4, 10 again plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22 again plus 6 and it goes on 28 etc. This is the AP. This is the end of the answer. You have formed the AP. 17th one. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 253. So you need to find the 20th term, but one difference is there. You don't need to go like this. You need to come back. That means you need to start from the last term. That means this last term will be your first term A. Reverse. You're not going this way. You're coming back. So what will be the 20th term? You need to take this 253 as your first term and this 3 as your last term. And you need to find the 20th term. So this is your AP 3, 18, 13, etc. 253. Okay. Now what is the given details? See, A is equal to 253. Since this is the reverse case, you need to take A as 253. Then D is equal to, what is D? 8 minus 3, 5. But since this is reverse, you need to change the sign. If you are getting the common difference as 5, take minus 5. Because we are coming from the last to first. 8 minus 3 is 5, but I am taking minus 5. Okay. What is A and last term? This one, 3. Everything reverse. Now you need to find 20th term. A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 19D. Substitute the value of A and D. What was A? 253 plus 19 into what was our D? Common difference minus 5. So 253 plus 19 into 5. What is 19 into 5? 95. So minus 95. Okay. 253 minus 95 is 158. So this is your answer, 158. You can conclude it by Therefore, 20th term from the last term of the AP, 3, 8, 13, etc. 253 is 158. Okay. 18th one. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term of AP is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. That means you need to find A1, A2, A3. First 3 terms of AP. Okay, write the given details. The sum of 4th and 8th term of the AP is 24. That means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. And also they have given the sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. So these are the given details. We need to find the first 3 terms of the AP. Yeah, so you can expand this one A4, A8, A6, A10. A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. A4 you can write A plus 4 minus 1 into D, 3D, plus A8 means A plus 8 minus 1 into D, 7D, equal to 24. A plus A, 2A. 3D plus 7D, 10D, equal to 24. This is your first equation. 2A plus 10D equal to 24. The same way you can do the second one. A6 means A plus 6 minus 1 into D. A plus 5D equal plus, what is 10? A10. A plus 10 minus 1 into D. A plus 9D equal to 44. A plus A, 2A. 9 plus 5, 14D. Equal to 44. This is your second equation. You got two equations. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24 and 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Now you can solve it by elimination method. See, your first one is 2A plus 10D equal to 24. Second one is 2A plus 14D equal to 44. Subtract 24 minus 44 minus 20. 2A got cancelled. 10D minus 4D. 14D. 10 minus 14 minus 4D. Minus got cancelled. D is equal to 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 5. So you got the value of 5. D is equal to 5. So you can substitute this value of D in first equation and you can find the value of A. That is 2A plus 10D. D is what? 5. 10 into 5 is equal to 24. So 2A plus 50 equal to 24. 2A equal to 50 will go this side. So minus 50. 24 minus 50. 2A is equal to 24 minus 50 is minus 26. Therefore, A is equal to minus 26 divided by 2. That is minus 13. Minus 13. So, your A value is minus 13. D value is 5. So, you can form the AP. You can find the first 3 terms of AP. A is equal to minus 13. D is equal to 5. Can you form the AP? First term will be minus 13. Right? Plus common difference 5. Minus 8. Again plus common difference 5. Minus 3. This is the first term of the AP. You have formed the first term of AP by using A value and D value. You can just add the common difference 5. Come to the 19th one. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment. Increment means what? Increase. Okay. Increment of rupees 2,000 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? So this is a form of AP because his salary started at 5,000. That means the first term is 5,000 and he got an increment of 200, means your common difference is 200. And we need to find which year he got 7,000. That means you can take 7,000 as AN value and you need to find the value of N. Okay, we will do this one. So the salary started at 5,000. So your first term is 5,000. What is the increment? 200 rupees. 200 increment. So second term will be 5,200. Then 5,400. It goes on till 7,000. That means we need to take AN as 7,000. A is equal to 5,000. D is equal to 200. Then find the value of N. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 7,000 equal to A is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D is 200. So, I am taking this 5,000 this side. So, 7,000 minus 5,000. I am taking 200 this side. So, into 200 will be divided by 200. Equal to what is remaining here? N minus 1. 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000. 2,000 divided by 200, see 2,000 divided by 200 equal to n minus 1. 2 zeros got cancelled. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 is equal to n minus 1. So what is n? 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. So you got 11. So you can conclude the answer as, therefore, in 11th year, his salary will be rupees 7,000. Now you can come to the 20th question. 20th. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become 20.75, find n. The same question, same as 19th one. Both are same. See, you can take 5 as the first term, 1.7 as the common difference, and this one as the an value. Now you can find the value of n. So take a is equal to 5, d is equal to 1.75, an is equal to 20.75. Substitute in this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 20.75 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 1.75. Now I am taking both this side. So 20.75 minus 5 divided by 1.75 equal to n minus 1. 20.75 minus 5 divided by 1.75 equal to n minus 1. So 20.75 minus 5, 15.75 divided by 1.75. See, 15.75 divided by 1.75 is 9. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. So you got the value of n as 10. That's all we have completed with our exercise 5.2. So in the next class, we'll start with a new topic, that is sum of first n terms of an AP. This will be our next topic in the next class. And we'll do exercise related to that, exercise 5.3. So with exercise 5.3, we'll be done with the chapter arithmetic progression. So one more last topic is remaining, that is sum of n terms of an AP. Yeah, that's all for today.